Hi everyone, welcome to my Max Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter determinants, which is chapter 4 from your 12th standard CBSE mathematics. We'll continue with exercise 4.2 in page number 120 of your textbook. I'm going to continue with problem number 8. In the previous video, we saw still problem till problem 7, and this video will continue from problem number 8, question number 8, which is we have to prove that this equal to this and show that this equal to this. We have to show the value of the determinant is equal to this. So again, so whenever you see in a determinant, if a particular row or a column has same elements, if all the elements in a particular row or all the elements in a particular columns are same, then you can take that out, then that particular row or column will become 1 1 1. So here it is already 1 1 1. So which means if you already see a particular row or a particular column having all the elements as 1 1 1, then it is very easy to make these two as 0. These two numbers can be easily made as 0 by using this one, which is R2 is this minus this R1, then this minus this will make this 0, again this minus this will make this 0. So we will apply the LHS equal to, we'll apply the column operation, which is row operation, which is R2. We can say R2 is R2 minus R1, this minus this, again R3 is implies R3 minus R1. So if I apply this, then this becomes, so R1 there is no change, so I will write my R1 as it is. My R2 will become, R2 is R2 minus R1, so 1 minus 1 0. This will become B minus A, and this will become B square minus A square. Similarly, R3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. C minus A, C minus A. C square minus A square is C square minus A square. Now again, if you observe this, if you see row 2 has B minus A common. This has B minus A, this also has B minus A. This is B square minus A square. B square minus A square can be written as B plus A into B minus A, or A square minus B square formula, right? So if you do that, you see B minus A is here, B minus A here also. If you want, I can write one more step. So 1 A square, 0, this is B minus A, this can be written as B plus A into B minus A. Again, this is 0, C minus A, this is C plus A into C minus A. Fine. So this is like, this is B square minus A square, this is B plus A into B minus A, C square minus A square is C plus A into C minus A. Now if you observe, B minus A is present here, and if it is 0, then also it is here. So because 0 can be written as 0 into B minus A. 0 can be written as 0 into B minus A. So B minus A is here. It is common in all the elements of row 2, so which means I can take that out of the determinant. Similarly, C minus A is common here as well as here. Whenever you see 0, then 0 can be written as 0 into C minus A. 0 into C minus A is 0. So this has C minus A, this has C minus A, this has C minus A. I am taking C minus A out from the third row as well. So my first row no change. My second row, after taking B minus A common out, it will become like this. Then again here 0, it will become 1, this will become C plus A after taking C minus A out. Now we can start expanding this into C minus A. Now two elements have become 0. We can expand along C1. I'm going to expand along this column because it has maximum 0. So I'll take only this element because these two elements will give me 0. So 1 into this into this, C plus A minus 1 into B plus A. Right? You will close this. So this into this minus this. So if you close these two, this into this minus this into this. So it will become B minus A into C minus A. This will become minus A plus A will get cancelled because it's minus. So you get C minus B. Now we should get it as A minus B, but we have B minus A. So I will interchange that as A minus B. Then I have to put a minus. Because B minus A, if I interchange, it will become minus of A minus B. Then after B minus A, I need B minus C, but I have, sorry, something is not right. 1 second. So C minus A, C plus A is taken out. So this is B plus A, C plus A minus B plus A. So if you multiply this, so C plus A minus B plus A, this will become C minus B. Right? Okay. Now we need B minus C, but we got C minus B. So I will interchange this two also. Then that will throw a minus. So that will give another minus. This can be written as minus of C minus B. Sorry, minus of B minus C. Minus of B minus C. Then this is C minus A is already there. There's no change. Now again this is minus, this is minus. Minus into minus will become plus. So finally we will get it as equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, which is equal to our RHS. Right? So this minus into this minus will become plus. So you'll have A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, which is what we have to prove. Fine. So all of you please copy this. Yeah, I'll go to the next one. Second part. Eighth problem has a second part. Second problem, which is 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. A cube, B cube, C cube. We have to prove this is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. Fine. So we have to show that, we have to prove that this is equal to this. LH is equal to R. So this is prove that. All are prove the following. Right? So we have to prove this, prove that. This is equal to this. So I'll start solution. So LHS. Right? So LHS is equal to, we'll write this 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now again, the moment you see 1, 1, 1 in a particular row or a particular column, then you can easily make these two 0 by doing this minus this, again doing this minus this. So the operation that we are going to apply to make this 0 is this is in C2, this is C1, so C2 minus C1. So we will say C2 implies C2 minus C1, and this is C3. C3 implies C3 minus C1. So C3 implies C3 minus C1. Right? So if you do that, what do we get? We get equal to first column no change. Second column will become C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1, 0. B minus A is B minus A. This is B cube minus A cube. B cube minus A cube. So similarly C3 minus C1. 1 minus 1, 0. C minus A is C minus A. C cube minus A cube is C cube minus A cube. Fine. Then that is equal to determinant of, so nothing is common. We can't take anything common now at this point in time. But you see that we are going to apply B cube minus A cube formula here. So 1A cube, 0 B minus A. I can write B cube minus A cube as can be written as B minus A into B square plus BA plus A square. I am applying A cube minus B cube formula. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So B minus A whole cube is, sorry, B cube minus A cube is B minus A into B square plus BA plus A square. So similarly, this is 0, this is C minus A. C cube minus A cube will be C minus A into C square plus CA plus A square. So you should know your A cube minus B cube formula. So C cube minus A cube is C minus A into C square plus CA plus C square plus A square. Now if you observe here, B minus A is present in every element of column C2. So this also has B minus A. Whenever you see 0, which means B minus A is there, because 0 is can be written 0 into B minus A. So this element has B minus A, this has B minus A, this has B minus A. So I can take B minus A out of my determinant. Similarly, this has C minus A, C minus A. This 0 also means it has C minus A. So column 3 also has C minus A. So if you take that out, we will get 1A cube, 0, 1, and this will become B square plus BA plus A square, because we took B minus A out, so it will become 1. If I take B minus A, I will have only this. Then this will be 0, C minus A is taken out, so it is 1. C minus A is taken out already, because if C minus A is present in all the elements of one particular column, then we can take that one. You can't take this here, again one more C minus A. If C minus A is present in all the elements of a particular column, one C minus A will come out. You can take that out of the determinant only if all the elements of one column or one row has that. then you can take that element out. So this is C square plus CA plus A square. So this is what we got till now. So again, what we can try to do is we can try to simplify further. So I will write that here. So again, what we can do, we can make this element as 0 by doing this minus this. We can try to make this element 0 by making C2 is C2 minus C3, right? Or we can make this 0, doesn't matter. Or we can make this 0, this minus this. So we will do, next one is I'm going to apply C3 implies C3 minus C2. If you do that, so there's no change to my column 1. My column 2 also no change, 0, 1, B square plus BA plus A square. But this will become C3 minus C2. So 0 minus 0, 0. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then this minus this. If you do this minus this, then your A square will get cancelled. You will get C square plus CA minus B square minus BA. If you subtract this minus this, C3 minus 2, this minus this, if you do, this is A square, this will become minus A square. They will get cancelled because you are subtracting this minus this. You will get minus B square minus B. Clear? So what I am doing here is, I am writing it as rough. So this C square plus CA plus A square minus this minus B square plus BA plus A square. Then this will become A square, this is minus into A square minus A square, cancel. So you get C square plus CA minus B square minus BA. This is what I have written here. Fine. Now again, if you observe here, again, I have to write this one, B minus A into C minus B minus A into C minus A. So here I should write B minus A into C minus A. B minus A into C minus A. Fine. And that is equal to, now if you observe here, this can be taken out because again, or we can try to simplify this. If you observe this, B minus A into C minus A, or we can even expand, we can even expand this. So if you expand this, right, through row 1, so that will be equal to 1 into this into this, which is C square plus CA minus B square minus AB, right, this into this minus this into 0 is 0, right. So if you take this one, I'll close this into this with this minus this into this is 0. Fine. So now next is, what we'll do is, okay, so what we have now is, so we have got this. Now if you simplify further, so you get B minus A into C minus A into, this becomes, so if you take these two, if you club these two, this becomes C square minus B square, and this is plus CA minus AB. Fine. So that becomes B minus A into C minus A into, so here this can be written as C square minus B square can be written as C plus B, probably put a square bracket, C plus B into C minus B, plus here if I take A common, I'll get C minus B. Now again, so this becomes B minus A into C minus A into, in these two again C minus B is common. If I take that out, I'll get C plus B plus A. So C plus B plus A. So which means now we need to prove it as A minus B. So I have B minus A. So I can interchange, I'll get minus of A minus B. Then here I have C minus A. Here also I have C minus A. So no need to change this. So it is as it is, C minus A. Now this is C minus B, but we need B minus C. So I will put a minus here again. So it will become C minus B. Sorry, B minus C. If I take B out, it will become B minus C into all our multiplication. Then this is A plus B plus C. Now this is minus, this is minus. right? Minus into minus is plus, so you'll get a minus b into this one b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. That is what we have to prove, which is your RHS. Right, and check. So we started with this and we have proved. We started with this and we have proved that value of this is equal to this, which is, I had to close this bracket. Sorry. So we have proved this is equal to this. Fine. So if we can pause the video and take the notes, I will erase this and I will go to the 9th problem. So the 9th one is, I'm erasing this. So 9th question. So what we have to prove is, 9th one is determinant x, x square, y z, then y square, zx, then z square or z square, then xy. Now we have to prove that it is equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. I have to show this. I have to prove that this is equal to this. We have to show that the value of this determinant equal to this. So we have to prove this, prove that. So solution. Again, we'll take this determinant, which is determinant of x, x square, y z, y, there is our LHS, left hand side, y square, zx, z square, xy. Now again, if we observe, we will try to see if we can add all of them, and if all the row or any row or any column has the same element, then we can take that out of the determinant, that is, so that it will become 1 1 1. But here it is not possible, because if you add all this, you will get x plus y plus z. Here you will get x square plus y square plus z square. Or if you add column wise or row wise, none of the row or none of the columns have the same element. So we can't do that. So let's try to check the condition. You need x minus y. So if I subtract these two, I'll get y minus x. Y minus x is also okay, because I can always change my y minus x as x minus y. Right? So also we can have z minus x. This minus this. Z square minus x square. We have z minus x here. So if I subtract them, so which means if I do this minus this, so this is second row, this is first row. If I apply R2 is R2 minus R1, and if I apply my R3 as R3 minus R1, right? So my determinant becomes, so row 1 no change, row 2 becomes row 2 minus, so this minus this, y minus x, so y minus x, then y square minus, this will become y square minus x square, and this will become, if I subtract these two, zx minus yz. Right? This minus this, this minus this, this minus this. Now again, this minus this, R3 minus R1, z minus x, then z square minus x square, z square minus x square, and xy minus yz, xy minus yz. Right? Now if you observe, you see y minus x is here. Here also you have y square minus x square can be written as y minus x into y plus x. Here if I take z common, I'll get x minus y, or I can take minus z common. So if I simplify this, so I'll write that probably. So this will be y minus x. This is y minus x into y plus x. Fine. This will become yz. This can be written as, if I take minus z common, I'll get y minus x. If you multiply minus z into y is minus z, minus z into minus x is plus zx. So similarly here you have z minus x, here you have z minus x into z plus x, because a square minus b square. Here if I take y common or minus y common, I'll get z minus x. Fine. So now the continuation is here. I'm going to write it here. So if I erase this. Okay, so now if you observe again, this particular row has y minus x, and this particular third row also has z minus x in each element. So they can be taken out. So from this row 2, I can take out y minus x out, and from row 3, I can take z minus x out. Then my determinant will become x square, y z. Then if I take y minus x out, this will become 1, and this will be just y plus x, and this will be just minus z. Here z minus x is taken out, so it will become 1. Z minus x is gone, so it will become z plus x. Here z minus x is taken out, you will have minus y. Fine. So again, this will be equal to, we can try to see if we can make much more zeros. So we'll take y minus x, right here as y minus x into z minus x. Now if you see this, we can make this 0 by adding these two. We can make this 0 by adding these two. So if I apply row 3 is row 3 minus row 2, this minus this. So my row 1 no change, x square y z. My row 2 also no change. My row 3 will become row 3 minus row 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Then this minus this, you get z minus y. Then this minus this, you get z minus y. Fine. We do this minus this will become z minus y. This minus this, z plus x minus of y plus x will give z minus y. Now again, if you observe here, z minus y is common in this row. So that can be taken out of the determinant. So it will become z minus x into here. Z minus y is here, here, also here. Whenever 0 is there, then z minus y is there. Fine. So if I take z minus y out, common, then your determinant becomes x 1 0, x square y plus x, y z minus z. So I am writing the first row and second row. Third row 0, here z minus y is taken out, so it will become 1 1. Fine. So now we can try to make this 0. We can try to make this 0 if possible. Like this minus this we can do to make this as 0. So if we apply that, so what do we get? So if I make this 0, which means this is C2. C2 is C2 minus C1. So if I apply that, C2 implies C2 minus C3. This is this minus this. Then what do we get? So you get y minus x into z minus x into z minus y. Then my C1 no change, x1 0. C2 is C2 minus C3. So this minus this is x square minus y z. Then this minus this will give me x plus y plus z. I am doing this minus this. And this minus this will give me 0. Third column I am writing as it is. Y z minus z 1. Now if you try to expand this through row 3, along this I am going to expand. Since this will become y minus x into z minus x into z minus y. Right? Now if you expand this through along row 3, so 1 into this will be closed, this will get closed. So this into this into this, which is x into, so 1 into x plus y plus z minus 1 into this one, that is x square minus y z minus of. Right? These two are 0. So 0 into this 0. So only this, with this we will try to expand. So this will be closed, this will be closed, this into this minus this into this. So you get here it is y minus x, but we need x minus y. I will interchange this. So I'll get x minus y. I will have one negative. Then again I need y minus z. I have z minus y. I will interchange this also. It will become y minus z. So this will give me one negative, this will give me one negative because I have interchanged this and this. So two negatives will become positive, and this one I am writing as it is, z minus x, and this one will become x into x is x square plus xy plus x into y is xz. This will be minus x square plus yz. So x square will get cancelled. Finally, I'll get x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Close. So this is what we have to prove here. Fine, which is equal to our RHS. RHS. Clear? So we have proved that LHS equal to RHS. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will stop the video here. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Thank you.